Well, Oscar Alvarez is set to go down against Jose Arellano. Oscar Alvarez riding score of 9-1-0. Steering his mouthpiece, very much patriotic fighter, 6'3", 78 inches of reach. He's got a very, very, very long reach. Lost to Jonathan Cardozo recently, but was better than Diego Lopez Juarez, Nicolas Polanco, Brandon Cruz, and many other high-level opponents. He's having problem in defense. He's good offensively, but his defense is questionable, and Jose Arellano is 5'8", out of Aurora, Colorado. He's a clincher. He also lost to Jonathan Cardozo via decision, but defeated Masei Abdurrashid, Flavio Cesar Ramos, and Oscar Alvarez has to keep the fight long range. This might be a problem against Jose Arellano, as Arellano is constantly clinching up, marching forward, moving to the left and right, digging with uppercuts and hooks to the body. It really depends, man. I'm like, Oscar Alvarez lost to Cardozo because of his poor defense, and but Alvarez is offensively very good boxer, so we're about to see. I'm also going to say the fight will not go the distance, but I think Arellano could actually win here. I'm like, this is questionable fight to call.